Okay.
14.
Hello mga palangga, meron uli session today si baba ko, bali second to the last na niya na session ito. Dalawang physiotherapist na halinhinan na nagbibisit sa kanya dito sa bahay. Minsan si Ben, yung last time, and then today si Jackie, and then yung huling session niya dito sa bahay this week, si Jackie ulit. So, after this, meron pa siyang natitirang isang session ng home health therapy dito sa bahay. And then next time, sa hospital na siya magpapatuloy ng mga strengthening activities niya. Doon na siya i-assess to use some exercise equipment para to straightening yung kanyang knee muscles at yung range of motion niya. Yung mga exercises niya usually mga 20 to 30 minutes lang. So far, nakakalakad na siya without the use of a cane or crutches. But advisable pa rin talaga na gumamit siya ng at least his cane while out, just in case mawalan man siya ng balance. So that's it.
So that's a cue that we've really fatigued the muscle, right?
Oh, okay.
So work those hard because I think there's a little weakness in your hips. If they get to be easy, you can add a whole 1, 2, 3, you know, but right now just try and get 15 of them. And then the other one for the hips is the one where it just goes back, goes straight back.
Oh, straight back?
Yep, with a straight knee. So you're really working the hammies. Yep. And it doesn't go too far back, it's just barely off the ground, but you should be able to feel it maybe fresh right here and here. Yep, good. 4, 5, try and stay upright if you can. So it's just a small squeeze of the butt. 7, 8, 9. Does it feel like it's doing something? 10. Let's switch legs. Straight knee, right one. Try not to be up in here, just the butt and the hamstrings. 2. Nice straight leg. 3. I know this one doesn't go totally straight, but it's another opportunity. 4. 5, 6, straight knee. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay, and then you're doing squats out here as well, right?
Right.
Let's see what those look like from the top. Wow, you're going deep. Jesus.
Well, we just had a pretty good workup, so everything's kind of
everything's
flexed
loose.
out now.
Yep. Good, so your knees aren't going in front of your toes, that's always good. Okay, if you bring your trunk a little further forward as you go down, your butt goes back, your trunk comes forward, so you're kind of balanced over your feet. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, so and you'll feel that you're hanging on less with your hands if you're balanced over your feet.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And this applies directly to getting out of your chair, and it applies to stairs.
Yeah.
This is that strength in a flexed position that you need on the stairs, right?
Yep.
So good. Just getting that trunk forward so you're balanced over your feet, and you are set on that. Excellent.
It's the most of the feeling I get out of this is that thigh muscle right there.
Yeah, and the quads in this position, the quads are controlling the descent. If the quads weren't working a little bit, you collapse into it. So the quads are usually when you work a muscle, it tightens, it gets shorter. Mm-hmm. And that's if I do this, my bicep just got shorter because it connects this and this. Mm-hmm. It got shorter. When we're doing this, the quads are actually getting longer as we do this, but they're still holding, so they're working in a little bit different way. Just a different kind of physics going on there. So, you will feel it in your quads.
Okay.
Just like, I don't know, did you ever go hiking or climbing up and down a mountain or something?
Well, I didn't upstairs. I know that.
My point is, on the way down the mountain,
Oh yeah.
quads hurt because
Right.
you're maintaining
Absolutely,
that all
yeah.
the time. Yeah.
Yeah, trying to stop.
Yeah, on the
Stop
way up,
instead
you
of
gotta
going
work
down.
your butt to get
Everything
up the
goes
hill.
forward,
But
yeah.
on the way down, my quads and my knees always hurt on the way down. All right.
You got all that? Oh, you're taping it.
I will show it to him again.
Good. And we just did a little bit of stair work too.
That's what we do yesterday. I have to show it to him.
Do you want to just video
Yeah.
what we did on the stairs?
Yeah.
Can you just show her a couple more of those so you remember that in case your brain. And the cueing is to get those nose over toes so that he's not using so much arm. Up and tap down. Yep. Down. Yep. Up and tap down. and then do 2 with the other foot. So she's got both of them.
Okay.
So we're leading with the other foot now. Coming down with the right. And get your nose over your toes before you try to go up. Good. All right, so that's that one. Good. All right, so that's all good. Straight.
Yeah.
I mean, if you can do that thing where you lay on your belly, that's
Yeah, I
still
do.
a good stretch. You're doing that one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. How long can you stay there?
Doesn't bother me. I can stay there.
Okay, like 5 minutes or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. All right.
Because tonight we will go upstairs
I
now.
heard. Feet back right to the chair.
Right to the chair.
Keep your nose over. Yep.
Yeah,
And
it's
I would
not
say
bad at
keep
all.
your nose over toes.
Nose over toes.
Yep. So as you
Toes
go
over nose.
No, the toes over nose. Keeping your. So you're kind of keeping your weight forward, almost like you're doing a squat, but you're not holding on to anything.
Right, yeah.
And you're really, as long as you can before you give in to gravity.
Because before you just slump on the chair straight
Yeah, but
away.
he's come such a long way since I've been here last. And then getting up is the same thing, nose over toes, right?
Yeah.
Nose way over the toes and push up, right?
Yeah.
Instead of trying to leverage it from back here.
Right. Yeah.
You've gotten good at
Right.
doing it, but
Yeah. Keep the heels back make a big difference. Apparently.
111 degrees on both knees today.
Yeah.
Woohoo! So you're getting a little bit of a contraction on the outside of the leg to do that, okay? So add those holds. You want to feel like these muscles worked. If you're not tired when you're done doing that exercise, do some more.
Do some
Hold
more,
it longer,
yeah.
you know, whatever. Make it feel like it's tired. That's how we get the strength in there.
Probably a 1 when we
1.
started. Probably about a 3 now.
Not bad.
Not bad. No.
Not bad for the pain.
Not too bad. And you said you are taking just oxycodone for sleep? Not
Yes.
every day, though?
No, not every day. Did you get a refill on it? Right here? Yes, I did. Just in case. Because basically, Dr. Fassetti was amazed when I told him I wasn't using it very much.
Yeah.
But then I started, the further out I got, the more I started to need it. Because
Yeah.
I think that a lot of it was still numbness
Yeah.
from the surgeries.
Yep.
And now it's
So,
kind of just working it.
So, yeah. So you said you're mostly using it to go to sleep?
Right. Because the knees are painful. Can't seem to get in a restful position.
Yeah. Is there anything else that might help to settle you down? Like if you iced it right before you went to sleep with that?
That's
maybe?
something to try.
Yeah.
I haven't
Yeah.
tried that.
Because I mean, you're far enough out now that starting to think about, can I wean from this?
Yeah, yeah.
And it's still there if you need it.
Right.
So thinking about other things to try first probably is the way to go. But it doesn't sound like it's a problem. It's not like you're overusing.
Oh,
it.
no.
But eventually we want to get off of them completely. All right. So I am here next again when it looks like you're on Thursday right now.
Better than it was. I said, should I put some cream on these soft
Yeah.
things? And then she said, no.
Yeah, don't just
Not yet. Ta-da!